In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Advanced Checklists. Now, before we dive into the details, it's important to note that Trello Advanced Checklists is a feature available only on the Trello Premium plan. So, if you're using the standard version of Trello and you'd like to access these advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Once you're all set with the premium membership, we can jump right into the process of setting up an advanced checklist. Everything starts with selecting the card where you want to implement a checklist. Simply navigate to the specific card and click it to open. You'll see an array of options, and among these, you're looking for the Add button. Click on it and then select the checklist option. This is where the magic begins. After selecting the option to add a checklist, you'll need to give your checklist a title. This helps in keeping your board organized, especially if you plan on having multiple checklists across different cards or even just within a single card. Now, here's a neat feature that can save you some time. If you have existing checklists on the board, you can choose to copy items from those existing lists into your new checklist. This is particularly handy if you're working on recurring tasks or similar projects and want to maintain consistency. With your checklist title set and items possibly copied over, the next step involves adding new items to your checklist. This is straightforward and similar to how you'd manage any standard checklist in Trello. However, what makes the advanced checklists stand out is the additional functionality they offer. Beyond just items, advanced checklists allow you to add members and set due dates for each individual checklist item. Once you've input your items, take your cursor and hover over any of them. You'll notice two new icons appearing: a calendar icon and a member icon. These icons are your gateways to adding specificity and detail to your tasks. Clicking on the calendar icon allows you to set a date, ensuring that you're reminded of deadlines associated with each checklist item. This helps in time management and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. If the task is a team effort or requires input from other team members, you can click on the member icon to assign these checklist items to team members directly. This feature is excellent for collaboration and clarity on who is responsible for what. And there you have it. That's all there is to using Trello Advanced Checklists. With these steps, you'll be on your way to maximizing your productivity, keeping your projects organized, and fostering seamless collaboration with your team. Enjoy your enhanced Trello experience, and make sure you explore more features on the premium plan to get the most out of your Trello board.